Hi, my name is Erin Tung, nurse practitioner here at the Florida Center for Hormones and Wellness, and welcome to the Hormones for Women page. Now, if you're here on this website, you're probably feeling maybe some of these symptoms, like fatigue, weight gain that doesn't come off despite your efforts. Maybe cholesterol has elevated or sugar has elevated and you don't know why, you can't explain it. You might be feeling a low libido. You may be experiencing changes in your hair, skin, or nails. These are all common hormone symptoms because as we age, hormones decline. But I'm here today to tell you that you don't have to settle for that. There is a solution, and it's here at our clinic. I have patients tell me all the time how wonderful this treatment is and how life-changing it has been for them. So feel free to book a consultation today and start living your best life now.